tailor is a person whose occupation is making fitted clothes, such as suits, trousers, jackets to fit the individual customers. The first practical and widely used sewing machine was invented by Barthélemy, a French tailor, in 1829. But from the time of creation of this universe, there exists a natural tailor in this universe. Not all the birds build their nest from twigs and dry grass. Some make mud nests too. The common tailor bird, Orthotomus sutorius, is a songbird, popular for its nest made of leaves sewn together. These highly active creatures flit between trees and shrubs, and sometimes hop on the ground to forage for insects. There are large populations of tailor birds across Asia. Their ability to sew their own homes is remarkable, but studying their nest can be a challenge even for the most proficient birdwatcher. Common tailor bird feeds mainly on insects, adults, and larvae. It also consumes small fruits, berries, some nectar, and tiny seeds. The bird that stitches its home. The most intriguing quirk of the common tailor bird is perhaps that it creates its nest by sewing leaves together with its beak. Common tailor birds are small songbirds that form long-term bonds and remain in one location year-round. The female carefully chooses a broad, strong, supple leaf which can provide good structural support once folded. A flimsy or dead leaf won't do, as it will most likely break with stitching or under the weight of the chicks. The male collects and fills the cup with fine grass and lines the sides with other soft material such as animal hairs and plant downs. A leaf in the middle of a thick foliage is usually chosen to avoid the nest being seen, and at the end of a branch to reduce the possibility of a predator entering the nest. The female wraps the leaf around herself to make sure it is the right size. If it is not, she adds another one or two leaves. She then uses her feet to pull the leaf together and pierces a series of minuscule holes along the leaf's edge using her long slender beak, which is shaped like a needle. The holes are so tiny that the leaf holds its shape and it does not go brown. The female threads the plant fibers or silk from the insects through the holes. In some cases, the nest is made of a single large leaf. The nest even has a roof to provide shelter from the monsoon rains and offer shade from the sun, formed by one or more pieces of leaves pulled down. This also secures and conceals the nest, preventing predators from getting in. Tailor birds often use feathers or fur to fill the leaf cup because those materials tend to insulate the nest better than anything else. Green plant material is also used, which helps in thermoregulation and reduces the possibility of parasites such as lice. Breeding season varies between species and can be year-round. The female lays between 3 to 5 pale blue eggs with brown flecks, usually one every morning, and the male feeds her while she incubates over 12 days. Coming to the structure of the bird, it has a long tail, typically held upright. Males have a longer central tail when breeding. It's of 10 to 14 centimeter and weight 6 to 10 grams. They are weak flyers, thus flitting between trees and bushes and avoiding wide open spaces. They are usually brightly colored with green or grey upper parts and creamy white or grey underparts and chestnut on their head. They are sharp and pointed, beaked, curving where it connects to the jaw. Loud call varies between species, but generally sounds like the alarm of a car when being unlocked. They are very active when foraging for insects, feeds on a range of beetles, bugs, larvae, as well as fruits, berries, tiny seeds. Chicks are dull green all over and change colors once reaching adulthood. Thank you for the patience.